Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing the 8.2 first Roman. There are 5 sums in this. All of them are very easy. All you need is this trigonometric table and these formulas that I noted down. If you learn 3 of them, the other 3 of them are just it's opposite. You can learn them very easily. Take a screenshot of these. These are going to be very crucial for these kind of exercises. Let's start off. I'm gonna be starting this with sine 60 and cos 30 degrees will turn into sine 60 degrees as cos 90 minus 30 equals sine 30. So let me just erase this into sine 60 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into cos 60 degrees. I used the same thing to convert it into cos. I used one of these, both of these formulas, the ones over here. And now with this, I'll easily get the answer. So sine square 60 plus cos square 60. We know this formula that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So I'm going to be using that and the final answer will be 1. So the first question's answer is 1. Let's do the second question now. The second question is also very easy. Let me copy it down. Next, here we are going to be using the trigonometric table to find these values. Tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees equals 1. So 2 into tan square 45 will be 2 into 1 square plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60. Or is it just cos and sine? 1 minute. Yes, let me check. So it is gonna be, yes, it is cos square 30 minus sine square 60. Yes. So let me add a square here. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2 and sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2 square minus root 3 by 2 square. They will cancel each other out. So the numbers that are left are 2 into 1, that is 2. So 2 will be the answer for the second one. So there are 2 methods of solving it. I am currently explaining the easier method. You can write this in your exam so that you can be done with it quicker. The harder methods are much more complex and not much useful. And moving on to the third one, the question is cos 45 degrees by sine secant 30 plus cosecant 30. So let me circle out the values over here. 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. You can actually by heart these values and it will be much more easier for you to complete them. So moving on to the next step, we are gonna further simplify this. It will be 1 by root 2, taking root 3 as denominator, 2 plus 2 by 2 into root 3 by root 3. So let's make it much more easier. It will be I'll make root 3 the numerator by bringing it up, and I'll bring root 2 down, which will make it root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So it will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Root 3 into root 6 will be 2 root 6. Next step, we are gonna rationalize the denominator, which will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. If you remember rationalizing, if this is positive, you'll always take the second one as negative. You can't just multiply it with the denominator, so you have to multiply it with the numerator as well. Minus 2 root 6. It will be 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 into 3, 18 by, it will become square, right? So it will become minus 16. I did the calculation in mind. So the new this will become 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2, because if you see, root of 18 equals root of 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 root 18, it will become 2 into 3 into root 2. Got that? So that's why I converted it like that. I'm gonna divide it with minus 16. Next will be, I'll take 2 as common, so that I can cancel it with the denominator. Root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 16. I can actually bring minus to the top, but not right now. It will become 8. It will become minus of root 6 minus 3 root 2. It will become 3 root 2. I am gonna bring the minus up now. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. We should not forget the denominator. So this will be the final answer. Moving on to the next one, I'm gonna substitute the values directly as I noted them down for the last 3 sums. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 by 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. I'm gonna take 2 by root 3 as denominators for both of them, because that is the LCM for both of them. It is gonna be root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4, and here it's gonna be root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 4. That is the only difference, only one sign. I can cancel out the denominators and make it 3 root 3 minus 4. Because I'm gonna add root 3 and 2 root 3, it will become 3 root 3. Next it's gonna be 4 plus 3 root 3. Or it can be 3 root 3 plus 4, anything. Next, we are gonna simplify it further. This step, we are gonna rationalize the denominator first. It's gonna be little bit confusing, but we already learnt it in our lower grades. It's gonna be 4 minus 3 root 3. That is what we have to do. I'll tell you why. To also give me a minute. By 4 plus 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Since we are rationalizing the denominator, which was positive, we got to make this sign negative so that we can multiply it and get 2 digits only in the at the denominator and simplify it into 1 digit. So let me simplify it. It's gonna be 12 root 3. I'm gonna be doing like this. I'm gonna be going like this, distributive property. After I do it, I'll be getting 4 digits. 12 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3. Okay. Minus by, let's see, 16 minus 3, 9 into 3, 27 by minus 11. Root 3 so it's gonna be 24 root 3 because it's 2 into 12 root 3. Easy. Next, minus 27 minus 16, so it's gonna be minus 43, and we are gonna carry the minus from the denominator to the top. It's gonna be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. This will be the final answer for the fourth one. Let's do the fifth one now. Next, I'm gonna substitute the values directly again. This time we are gonna multiply them with numbers. It's gonna be really fun, this sum. 4 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1 square, because tan square 45. All of them are squares. Sin square 30 and cos square 30. We know this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here the theta is nothing but 30. So the final answer will be 1. I'm gonna be writing 1 over here. Next, it's gonna let's simplify this. 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 equals 12 will be the denominator, minus 12, 15, 64. It is gonna be 64 minus 12, 52. 15 plus 52 by 12, that is 67 by 12, and that is the answer we need. So that's it, guys, for today. This is the first Roman. It's very large and the video is gonna be very long, so I broke it down into 3 parts to explain it, but it's one video, but I'm gonna edit them together. Thank you guys for watching. This took a lot of time. A sub would definitely be appreciated, and thank you for watching.